that it seems she didn't know how to start from everything that had happened that ruined her life. She missed to care on her parents and seems that she wants to leave her bitter past behind. Please hold it in your heart. Just know that when I'm gone, I'll always be right by your side. And all the when I leave, sacrifices. Many days passed until Maria thought of moving away to a different country. She's doing this to find herself and for the future of her children. That even though it was painful for her to go, she would have to, so as to endure the pain. Love. In her adventure abroad, she met many friends and many people. Her eyes and lips can be seen as in her past has been forgotten. The word was the fight, right from the start. She held me close, and the time that all she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change the love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will
Praktisan ba ina ako ya?
Forgiveness. Hope she learned to forgive her sins to others, and little by little her heart is getting closer to the Lord. And slowly she forgot what had happened in her life. Even though she never stopped to think that things he had never done in her whole life. A deeper faith in our Lord, and the love she had never experienced before her parents. Many years passed when she was old and could no longer work. She thought of going back to where she started and seeing her children again, whom she had missed for a long time. It almost broke her heart to see them. Until next time, this is where the story of a mother, Maria, ends. That no matter what challenges of trials in life, she never regrets. She rises again and strengthens her faith and trusts the Lord in her ability to be a good person. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my mother would hold me tight and whisper that I was a true best friend. Take hold my hand when I had no feelings.
Wala ba ba to? Wala ba?